Yeah.
It's a video.
Oh.
Freedom smells like gasoline. Red lights fade to black and green. Nothing gold beneath the steel, but everybody wants the wheel. Everybody wants the wheel. Wants the power, torque, and steel.
One of those.
What's on my head? What is it? What the?
Oh, hell yeah.
The concern.
Like one of those 80s hip hop guys.
80s hipsters.
Low rider.
No, it's like one of those 80s hip hop guys that wear the really baggy clothes.
Oh.
Everybody wants the wheel. There's a tunnel where the lights go blind. Engines echo in your mind when the overpass shakes above. That's the sound of what we love. Thought we'd make it to the line. Thought this moment would be mine. But speed is just a fleeting thrill. And time outruns the fastest build. Everybody